Everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's vlog. A couple of days ago, I posted a video wherein I went shopping over at RIF Manila. That's the sneaker reseller shop in front of Secret Fresh. Of course, that is the art gallery of DJ Big Boy Cheng, aka Sanchu Papa. Anyway, in that vlog, I ended up buying a shoe, and I shared with you guys that I'll do a follow-up vlog sharing and doing an on-feet review of what that sneaker is. So today is that, day. This is the Off-White Nike Air Rubber Dunk Low in the green stripe color. So we will be unboxing it, checking it out, doing an on-feet review, and then I will be also announcing the winner of the Realme 7 Pro giveaway. So make sure that you guys watch until the very end, and I will be announcing a new giveaway wherein one of you guys can actually win yourselves a pair of Nike Air Off-White Rubber Dunks. O, di ba panalo? Let's go! Now, as you guys can see, it comes in this, silver shiny Nike Off-White box, swoosh, and then the cutout holes all over the box. Some people call it like the cheese box. Some people call it like the moon crater box. Basta butas-butas siya. And then you have the details of the sneaker over here. I was able to get it in size 13, which is my preferred size for Nike Air Dunks. A little bit roomier for my wide feet. Now, if you pop the box open, you have that yellow Off-White tissue paper, which is, I think, the previous season for fall and winter. And then the shoes aren't here, they're down there. I'll get the shoes in a bit. But I will share that it does come with extra light green laces. The default is black. So that said, let me get the shoe. Ba-bam! This is the Nike Air Off-White Rubber Dunk. And to be honest, when I first saw it on pictures, I already knew that I wanted to get it because it felt like a chunkier and more futuristic version of the, usual everyday iconic dunks that you see. Now, it turns out this is actually a fusion between two sneakers. You have the Nike Dunks Low, and if you take a look at the upper, this is actually heavily inspired by the Nike Pegasus. I think it's called the A6000, which has the same leather stripes that cut across it and a more chunkier vibe compared to the Dunk. So you have over here two sneakers fused together to come up with something new. The upper part is the A6000. The lower part is your typical Dunk, with the exception of the visible air unit that you see here at the back of the heel, which is a nice added touch. Now, personally, I am absolutely loving the design of the shoe. Like what I mentioned, the moment I saw it on the pictures, I loved it, and now that I have it on hand and I was able to put it on feet, I love it even more. And allow me to share the reasons. First is the futuristic edgy design and the chunkier vibe. So I love the multiple textures and layers of materials, from the mesh to this hard material over here to this toe box. I have no idea what it's made of. You have, of course, leather stripes inspired by the A6000. You have that exposed fat foam here at the tongue tab. Even the zip tie has some sort of suede finish to it, which is not your typical red zip tie that you see with Off-White shoes. One particular element I love a lot is the swoosh, because apart from the contrast with the black upper, I love the fact that it kind of overextends. So parang lumalagpas siya ng konti, which gives it a 3D texture and vibe, and it doesn't make it look flat. Now, another reason why I'm absolutely loving this shoe is the comfort. I've owned several Dunk pairs in the past, including the Nike Nike Off-White Dunks that came out previously. And this by far is the most comfortable pair of Dunks I've ever worn. No exaggeration. I think it's mainly because the upper is so much more breathable. It's so much softer on the top of my foot. And I'm not sure if they made the midsole thicker or something, but it's definitely, you feel the cushioning more compared to your traditional Dunk. So comfort-wise, this for me is a home run. Design-wise, again, I am loving it. That is objective. You are free to disagree. You can think it's ugly, it's fine. And lastly, I love the fact that even if you want to cop it for resale, the prices aren't insane. So I actually got this from RIF Manila for a little less than 20,000 pesos. So that's already the resale price of this shoe. So that's not, I know that's a lot of money for a pair of shoes, but if you compare that to other Off-White sneakers that you need to pony up like 30, 40, 50, 100, 200,000 pesos for resale for a collab between Jordan or Nike with Off-White, man, those are insane prices. This one at 20,000 or less than 20,000, maybe it might even go down somewhere in the future, I think is great value in terms of the brand, the style, the look, and the comfort. Now this one actually came out in 3 colors. There is this light or green stripe, there's a yellow version, and there's also a blue-white version, which is exclusive per region. If I'm not mistaken, this one is the version for the US, the white-blue is for Europe, and the yellow one is for Asia. Heck, with that said, if there's any reseller watching the video today who has a pair size 13s of the white-blue color of this one, hit me up on IG. Let's make a deal. I'd love to add that color, that particular colorway of this shoe to my collection. And if you ever see me in public anytime soon, which is rare because I don't go out as much, chances are I'll be wearing one of these. So who is the off-white rubber dunk for? In my opinion, it's for people who are obviously off-white fans, who are fans of Virgil, but are looking for something futuristic and edgy and comfortable with the footwear that Virgil is offering. Not all off-white Nike or off-white Jordan sneakers or even off-white sneakers are comfy. In fact, a lot of them aren't. This one though is a standout exception, and that's the reason why I am absolutely loving it. Okay, with our on-feet review and unboxing out of the way, let's get to our announcement of the winner of the Realme 7 Pro smartphone. Let's find out who the winner is. Congratulations to the winner. I'll be reaching out to you Instagram so I can hook you up with your Realme 7 Pro smartphone. Now, I did mention that we have a new giveaway for off-white Nike Air rubber dunks. In fact, you can pick one in your size and in the color that you want. I've actually teamed up with a local sneaker duffel bag brand, Katha. So all you have to do is to check out the post on my Instagram. The mechanics are there, and all you have to do is to follow the mechanics there. But of course, you have to subscribe to my channel. You have to follow me on Instagram, and you guys actually have a chance of winning not just the off-white Nike Air rubber dunks, but even your own Katha backpack or sneaker duffel bag. Good luck, check it out. Again, the mechanics are on my Instagram account. Lastly, before we wrap up today's episode, let me just plug that I have a new entry on my watch vlog. So to those who don't know, I have a dedicated YouTube channel that talks about watches. And in my latest watch vlog, I unboxed this. This is a 44-year-old new old stock Seiko Apocalypse / Captain Willard. It's amazing condition. If you're a fan of Seiko, if you're a fan of watches, you probably know how awesome this particular piece is. So if you want to watch my unboxing of this watch, the link to my watch vlog can be found down below. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you all had an amazing weekend, and I pray that you all have a productive, meaningful, awesome week up ahead. This is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.